Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn create a folder in SharePoint document library. This is my SharePoint document library as policy documents, and inside this I have added three different folders like HR policies and travel policies and also work from home policies. Yes, we can create folders in SharePoint document library to organize and manage files. In a document library, we can create up to 30 million files and folders. Now I will show you how to create a different folders in SharePoint document library. Let's get started. First of all, open your SharePoint document library where you want to create a folder. Then click on the new tab and select the folder option. Here provide the folder name. Then select create button. And if you want to create nested folder, just click on the folder and select new tab. Then select folder option. Here provide the folder name. Then select create button. Yes, this is how to create nested folders. And similarly, if you want to create different folders, just follow the previous steps which I have mentioned. And also, whenever we select the new tab, here by defaultly we get folder option. If you want to remove this folder option, just click on the gear icon and select library settings, then click on the more library settings. This is document setting page. Here select the advanced settings and go to the folder section. Here by defaultly the folder command is available. Now just click on the no button and select OK. Now coming to our document library, then click on the new tab. Now the folder command is removed. This is all about how to create a folder in SharePoint document library. If you like this video, to give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you guys.